Hi children, how are you? It's me teacher Dian. So today we are going to learn about English. Okay, the topic is letter sound P. So in here we are going to learn about words that have sound P. Okay, so we have map. It's P. P becoming map. Map. And then we have pants. It's P A N T S. P A N T S. Becoming pants. Okay, so in here we have pencil. So the K in here we say it as S. Okay, so it's P A N S I L. P A N S I L becoming pencil. Okay, next we have pram. It's P R A M. P R A M becoming pram. Pram. And then we have cap. It's K A P. K A P becoming cap. Good. And then we have pag. It's P A G. P A G becoming pag. Pag. Okay, now complete the sentence. I have a pencil. Good job. And a cap. Very good. Okay, now this is the end of our lesson. I hope you know how to do the worksheet well. Goodbye.